Hello there. Today's our world is surrounded by AI, artificial intelligence. We all want to complete our work with AI. It's all happening because AI is more superior and their work are super fine than humans. So today I will tell you a method that will help you to make design by AI. Just you have to command it and your design will be ready in few minutes. Click on the link given in the description and you will land on the MidJourney website. Then click on the join the beta and you will land on the Discord site. If you don't have Discord ID, make ID from there. If you have app, your app will be open automatically. Then click on accept invite button, then click on three lines of top left side, then click on newbies 23. Now the command is next slash, then imagine, then promote, then slash. Then you can write anything from your mind, then search. Now we have to find our search result. It's free, so many people search their results. I think we found it. There are the butterflies in jar and you can see their guns behind of jar in second picture. AI is still making it. You can see the progress in percentage. I think we lose it again. Now let me tell you the important thing. If you click on V3 there, you will see similar pics of a third photo. I clicked on V3. Now I have to find where is rendering. There it is rendering it. 3% 39. Look at there. I see similar type of V3 pics. If you like any pic, choose it by view 1 2 3 option. Then particular picture will be zoom in and will be more rendered. Then you can see it perfectly and also can download it for your phone wallpaper. Okay, thanks. If you like this video, you can subscribe it. Okay, bye, see you later.